Alright guys, I'm going to climb up one of the steepest roads we have in our county. I got 6,000 pounds of gravel. Got a trailer with a yard of gravel in it and then a yard and a bed. And I'm coming up this in manual first, no torque converter lock, and I got my fan settings ported over. I'm running the 12 valve 90 horse tune right now, but I got my fan settings from the tow tune plugged into my tune here. So basically what that does is it will turn the fan on. It'll start to ramp the fan up at 205 degrees instead of the stock value of about 235 degrees. So this fan will ramp up at 205 and it'll max out. It'll go to full value at 220 degrees. We'll see if we can get all the way up to where I'm going here. 260 is kind of the danger zone on these 48 REs. That's where the stock idiot light will come on and say the transmission's overheated. I wish you could. You kind of have to be here to see exactly how steep this is, but it is real steep. You can see that fan's working right now. Probably a little less than half a mile from the destination here. The lady at the gravel place was a little bit worried about this road because they wanted to know where you're taking their trailer. She said, you know, that's almost 6,000 pounds. Do you think your truck can do that? I'm like, heck yeah, my truck can do that. Load it up. See the engine, that's the bottom right. Hasn't budged, it's still under 200 degrees. There. Alright, we're pulling up to it now, so I'm going to turn it off, but let's see, we made it up here. Never hit 260, so that's good. Probably just go up here and end up turning around. Hit it. It's going to start to flatten out here in a minute. Take a break here and let it cool down, and then I'm just going to head back down to where I was going. It's easier to get into the road going downhill.